Implementing technology at a workplace, it could be a good thing and it could be a bad thing.
Yeah, is that still a tip option? Is that still an option when you go in store
The
to
what?
order?
A tip?
Is there still a tip option
Yeah,
if you're in
it
store?
goes to the store.
Companies are always going to look for ways to save money and to, cut labor. We are worried if, in the future companies are going to implement new technology or even if they could replace us.
Excellent choice. Jonathan, our dirty taro latte is one of my favorites. Let me prepare it right away.
And this is why it is very crucial to have a union, to have, your job protected.
To provide our customers with the best user experience, we still need to have a person in our stores.
This is our very first boba machine, automatic boba machine. So the thing is that we're not trying to take over the business side, but as a matter of fact, we're just trying to fill in the gaps.
So the problem that we are facing right now is the labor shortage. The labor shortage is happening right now, and not only the labor shortage, the wage is increasing dramatically as well. So we are trying to solve those two big problems by cooking robots.